channel. Today we are diving into the world of laser engraving and cutting with the TUCA L2 desktop laser engraver and cutter. This machine is packed with features and advertised as the world's safest laser engraver and cutter. Let's see this machine in action, then I will break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. paramount with the TUCA L2. It boasts a Class 1 laser safety certification, ensuring the laser power is well below hazardous levels. This means the laser won't exceed the maximum permissible exposure for both eyes and skin, even after focusing through the optical system. So, you can work with peace of mind knowing you are protected. But that's not all. The device also features a flame detector and a gyroscope detector, adding extra layers of safety. The flame detector will alert you to any unexpected flames, while the gyroscope ensures the machine stops if it's tilted or moved unexpectedly. Furthermore, there is a USB safety interlock protection system to prevent unauthorized access. This is a fantastic feature if you have kids around or if the machine is in a shared workspace. Safety isn't the only highlight. The TUCA L2 is packed with features that make it a top contender in the market. Let's talk about the software. The TUCA L2 supports multifunctional software like GRBL and Lightburn. These platforms are known for their user-friendly interfaces and robust features. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, these software options offer everything you need to get the most out of your engraver. The TUCA L2 comes with a switchable laser models, 2.5 watt, 10 watt, and a powerful 20 watt. This flexibility allows you to work on a wide range of materials, expanding your creative possibilities. Switching between models is effortless thanks to the quick release structure and standard ARCA interface. From wood and leather to acrylic and metal, the L2 handles it all. Whether you are engraving intricate designs on jewelry or cutting out parts for a DIY project, this machine has you covered. Precision is key, and the TUCA L2 delivers with a 0.01mm motion accuracy. This ensures that every detail of your design is captured perfectly. Whether you are working on a fine engraving or intricate cuts, the precision is spot on. With a spacious working area of 415 by 395mm, you can handle large projects without any issues. Plus, with a speed of 24,000mm per minute, the TUCA L2 is not only precise but also incredibly efficient, allowing you to complete projects quickly. The unique enclosed guide rail design is not only dust-proof but also silent, ensuring a clean and quiet working environment. This is especially important if you are working in a home, studio, or a shared space. Embedded within the machine is a hidden LED light strip that changes color based on the machine's working state. This visual cue is incredibly useful for monitoring the process at a glance, adding a touch of convenience and style. An efficient smoke exhaust system ensures a clear workspace, removing fumes and maintaining a healthy environment. This is particularly crucial when working with materials that produce smoke or fumes during engraving and cutting. To sum it up, the TUCA L2 desktop laser engraver and cutter is a robust and versatile tool that stands out for its safety features, precision, and user-friendly design. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, this machine can elevate your projects to the next level. So, what do you think? Is the TUCA L2 right engraver and cutter for your needs? If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. The link for the product is in the description. Let us know in the comments what do you think about the TUCA L2 and if you have any questions. See you in the next video.